Hello, this is the Blessed Man. I am from the eastern part of Nigeria, and I'm very happy to be part of the MetaForce income opportunity. MetaForce is a global income opportunity that has actually changed my life. MetaForce, I joined MetaForce a few months ago, and it's been awesome. I've seen revolutions, I've seen any income opportunities. I've been able to work with team, I've been able to build a team, and it is working for us, and all of us are just happy. MetaForce is a good business that will help to bring out the potentials that you have. It is in MetaForce I began to learn more about network marketing. I began to learn a lot of things about NFTs, about cryptocurrencies, and so on and so forth. It is an income opportunity that is running on a smart contract, taking advantage of the blockchain technology that will actually transform the whole world. MetaForce have helped me to know a lot of people all over the world. I've been able to connect to people through MetaForce. I've been able to affect life through MetaForce. MetaForce has helped me to pay my bills. It has helped me to complete some of the projects that I have, and I'm just happy with MetaForce and everything about MetaForce. And so I want to show you how happy people are with MetaForce, and then I'll tell you the income opportunities that is in MetaForce. Just watch how happy all of us are.
I love MetaForce. I'm happy with MetaForce.
I'm happy with MetaForce.
I am happy with MetaForce. As you can see, I am on my phone checking my Trust wallet, and I can see some dollar dropping. Right?
Happy with MetaForce.
MetaForce. I'm happy with MetaForce.
I'm happy with MetaForce.
I'm happy with MetaForce.
Hey guys, you've just seen how happy people are. We are all happy. All of us are just happy with MetaForce, and we are just enjoying ourselves. There are so many income opportunities that lies in MetaForce, and one of them is the SFC, SFCR, SF2, and SFCR2 that is in MetaForce. These are the equivalent value you're going to be getting for registering in the matrix slot of MetaForce in the classic program. Before the launch of the NFT, any slot level that you buy in the matrix level, you're going to be getting what is called SFC, Stable Force Classic, and then for reactivation, you're going to be getting Stable Force Classic Reactivation. But after the launch of the NFT, you're going to be getting SFCR2, SFC2, and SFCR2, which is equivalent to the amount that you are buying the matrix slot with. These things are going to be used for purchase of products on the ecosystem, or used as energy tokens to charge your NFT, and so on and so forth. Number 2 is the first coin. The first coin is the main coin of the MetaForce. It will be launched as soon as possible, and then it is another income opportunity because it has a very strong tokenomics. It is going to be limited in supply, and it is going to go viral because there is a community already that is actually that's going to be using this first coin in the ecosystem. Number 3 is the Metaverse. The Metaverse is an income opportunity that lies in this ecosystem because a lot of products are going to be deployed into the Metaverse, and people will have opportunities to take advantage of the Web 3.0 and be able to make money for themselves. You can be able to buy land, play games, be able to do all manner of businesses on the internet through MetaForce. And then number 4, we'll talk about the classic program. The classic program is a program that is designed, for people to promote MetaForce and actually make money for themselves. It has 12 slots from slot 1 to slot 12. Slot 1 to slot 12. Each of these slots that you activate or you buy is an income opportunity on its own for you to start making money from level 1 to level 12 of the classic. Number 5 is the Universe. The Universe is a simpler matrix program that is meant for people who are not really experienced in networking. It is a simpler matrix where people can actually still make money promoting all the products of MetaForce, where people can use your link to buy products, digital products from MetaForce, and then from the link of your team, and you're going to be rewarded for that. Number 6 is the Boost program. The Boost program is actually a deeper matrix for those who are actually full networkers, where there is a lot of income opportunity for you to be earned by promoting all the MetaForce products. 7 is the royalty NFT. The royalty NFT is the revolution that MetaForce is bringing into this industry. It is one of the most generous royalty programs that has ever existed, where 30% of the global turnover of all the products sold in the MetaForce ecosystem is deposited into a pool that is shareable to people who has attained the status levels of these NFTs. There are 7 levels, starting from the just NFT to the activator, from the activator to the supervisor, from the supervisor to the manager, from the manager to the pro manager, from pro manager to the pay setter, and then to the millionaires club. And then how do you get these NFTs? Once you have activated up to level 5 in the classic program, a new NFT will be minted for you. At this point, this is the condition. 5 levels of the classic program. By the time other programs are launched, there are other conditions that will be attached. But for now, once you attain level 5 in the classic program, a new NFT that will be launched, that will be minted for you, that is called Just NFT. And then you have the opportunity to be able to activate this Just NFT to go to the status level of the NFT. You use energy tokens to charge this your NFT to get into the status level of the activator of the NFT royalty program. Right now, the SFC or the SFC2 or SFCR or SFCR2 can be used as energy tokens. In future, there will be a lot of other opportunities where you can use as energy to charge your NFTs. And then by the time you have attained the status level of the NFT, which is the activator, you will need to burn 3 activators for you to be able to get to the supervisors. When you get to supervisor, you need to burn 3 supervisors for you to get to the manager, and so on and so forth until you get to the millionaires club. So guys, these are the various income opportunities that's existing in MetaForce, and they are all awesome. I want to thank Lado. I want to thank all the developmental team of MetaForce. It's wonderful. It's awesome. This income opportunity is something that the whole world needs to dive into, and we're changing our life. We're becoming happy. We're becoming revolutionary. I want you to join MetaForce anywhere you are around the world, because we are Force, and Force is with you.